Hello, welcome back to our channel, where we talk about fitness and health. Today we will see how to start your fitness journey as a beginner.
Okay, so if the thought of stepping into a gym for the first time feels, well, a little overwhelming, you are absolutely not alone. But we're going to change that right here, right now. This is your clear, step-by-step roadmap to walk into any gym feeling confident and with a solid plan. I mean, this quote just hits the nail on the head, doesn't it? It's such a common feeling. All the equipment looks like some kind of weird puzzle, everyone else seems like they're a total pro, and you feel like you've got a giant spotlight on you. It's a universal experience, but it's one we are about to solve. You have to remember this. Every single person in that gym, from the one lifting massive weights to the one who looks like they could run a marathon on the treadmill, they all started exactly where you are right now. They all had a day one. And this is yours. First up, let's talk about your pre-game prep. You know, confidence really starts before you even leave the house. So we're gonna cover the simple preparations that make all the difference in the world.
Look, you don't need a bunch of fancy gear. Seriously, keep it simple and functional. A water bottle is non-negotiable, you gotta stay hydrated. A small towel is great both for you and for wiping down equipment. And headphones, oh yeah, they create your own personal focus bubble. Everything else on this list is totally optional.
The golden rule for what to wear is super simple. Can you move freely and comfortably in it? Just think breathable, athletic clothes that allow a full range of motion. You're gonna be squatting and reaching and moving around. Jeans and boots? Yeah, they're not gonna cut it. Comfort is absolutely key here. Okay, this is how you blend in like a pro from day one. These aren't just suggestions, they're pretty much the core of good gym etiquette. Wipe down your equipment, put your weights back, and just be mindful of others. Following these 6 simple rules shows respect, and it makes you a valued member of the gym community, like instantly. Okay, next up, your first workout. Let's turn all that confusion into a clear, actionable plan for what to actually do when you're there. So a gym is usually broken down into these 4 main zones. You've got your cardio machines, treadmills, ellipticals. Then you have the free weights like dumbbells and barbells. Then there are the cable machines, which are super versatile. And finally, the specialized machines that usually target just one muscle group. Just understanding this basic layout makes navigating the floor so much easier. For your first few visits, seriously make the machines your best friend. They're designed to be intuitive. They guide your body through the correct motion, which is fantastic for learning proper forms safely. Plus, they almost always have a little diagram on them showing you exactly how to use them. And here it is, your game plan. A simple, super effective, full body workout. Try and follow this routine about 3 times a week, with a rest day in between. For each exercise, you're gonna do 3 sets and rest for about 60 to 90 seconds between them. This is a perfect foundation for building strength and, just as importantly, confidence. Okay, section 3, avoiding those common mistakes. Now that you have a plan, let's cover the principles that are gonna ensure your long-term success.
This might be the single most important technique you can learn. Seriously, engaging your core isn't just about sucking in your stomach. It's about creating a solid, stable trunk, almost like you're bracing for a soft punch in the gut. This simple act protects your back and makes every single exercise safer and way more effective. This is a mantra to live by in the gym. It is always, always better to lift a lighter weight with perfect form than it is to struggle with a heavy weight and sloppy form. Progress comes from quality movement, not just from trying to lift the heaviest thing you can. This chart basically lays out the path to success versus the path to burnout. Don't just do cardio. Strength training is what reshapes your body. And definitely don't work out 7 days a week. Your muscles actually grow when you rest. The key takeaway here, consistency beats intensity every single time. And finally, let's talk about the mental game. Because honestly, the biggest hurdles are often in our own heads. So let's tackle that gym anxiety head on. Let this really sink in. That feeling that everyone is watching and judging you, it's just a feeling. It's not a fact. People in the gym are in their own world. They're thinking about their form, their playlist, or what they're gonna have for dinner. They are way too busy with their own journey to be focused on yours. This is why patience is so important. Real, visible change takes time. In that first month, you're really just building the habit. By month 3, you'll feel the difference. By 6 months, you'll start to see it. You just have to trust the process because the results will come if you stay consistent. And remember this too, you're gonna have weeks where you feel strong and amazing and other weeks where you feel tired and weak. That is completely normal.
It's not about having a perfect week every week. It's all about that upward trend over many, many months. So try to reframe your thinking. You're not an intruder in someone else's space. You are part of a community of people who all showed up for the exact same reason, to improve themselves. You absolutely belong there, right from day one. So we'll end with this question for you to think about. Taking a moment to identify that fear is the very first step to conquering it. You have the map, you have the plan, and you know you belong.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel, which give us motivation to make better content for you.